Okay, now scope. This topic could be confusing if you don't follow closely, so listen up. Well, brackets are one of the most important symbols in Move, and it defines scope, which basically says when the variable could be accessed in the code. Again, let's create a new file named scope.move in our playground, and copy paste our starter code here. To start small, we just define a variable named a, and set the value to be 1. We'll print it out to make sure that we get the right value. Okay, now let's do something interesting. We'll create a scope here with brackets. Remember, it's always a good practice in Move to add a semicolon behind the brackets as you've seen in the last video. Okay, here we'll print a again. And we see that we got 2 ones. What does that mean? It means that the variables defined outside the scope could be accessed inside. Okay, let's write down our first knowledge. So inside can get outside value. Okay, perfect. Now we update the value of a to be 2. And so we define a twice, and let's print again to see what would happen. Okay. Within the same scope, it uses the latest definition. Fair enough. And that's our second finding. So if both exist, it will prefer the inside value. Perfect. Now let's create another scope, the third one. Again, we update the value of a to be 3, and also we can also define another variable like b equals 3. And we will exit this third scope. We can call it an n here, and try to print d and see what happens. Okay, as you will get, errors. Okay, because the scope definition will no longer be available after the scope ends. Basically, it's destroyed of the scope. You can think of it as garbage collection in Java. So outside the scope, the memory is no longer available. Okay, so that's our final insight. One, exit a scope by red brackets. Whatever inside will no longer exist. Great. Basically, that's all we need to know about scope. And yeah, see you in next video.